Hey everybody, what's going on? Boost Auto here. Today we're going to be installing our retractable bed step on 22 and newer Toyota Tundras. Let's get into it.
Our retractable bed step for 2022 and newer Toyota Tundras makes it easy to hop on up into the bed of your truck, regardless of the circumstances. The step tucks up and out of the way when not in use, and you can easily extend it by stepping down on the pad when your hands are full and retract it when done. Designed with convenience and durability in mind, this low-profile step makes it convenient to access the truck bed day in and day out. Whether you're loading gear, reaching for tools, or simply hopping into the bed, this is the simple upgrade your truck's been missing. The procedure outlined in this video is for 2022 and newer Toyota Tundras. If your vehicle is a different year range, head on over to boostauto.com for the latest in fitment and availability and to purchase all we have to offer. Let's get into it.
So in front of me I've got our linkage arm assembly. We're going to start with that. Notice the 3 threaded holes here. We're going to be using those with our main bracket. First, for the 2 threaded holes that are next to each other, we're going to use 2 13mm combo bolts. Next, for the 1 threaded hole, we're going to grab our short 13mm hex bolt, lock washer, and a flat washer. Thread that in. Now, we're going to fully tighten these 3 13mm bolts. Now, looking at the back side of our main bracket, we're going to take our support bracket, make sure this lip is facing towards the step, and use our last remaining 13mm combo bolts and hand tighten it for now. Now we're going to take our step pad, go ahead and flip it over to expose the 2 C channels that you see here. We're going to take 2 of our T-bolts, put them in each channel. Looking at the linkage arm assembly, where the pad's going to mount, I've got this flipped over. I'm going to go ahead and grab our pad. We're going to line up our T-bolts in each of these channels here. Once that's done, we're going to take a flat washer and a nylon lock washer and hand tighten them on these T-bolts.
Back toward the rear bumper on the driver's side, we're going to have these 3 22mm nuts that we need to remove. Make sure to hold on to them. We'll be using them for the install. The last bolt that needs to be removed, here on the bed frame rail, is mounted directly above the 3 nuts we just removed. The head of the bolt is on top of the rail, so we suggest using a wrench.
All right, go ahead and place your Boost Auto retractable bed step over its mounting locations. Now that the retractable bed step is installed, we're going to start by fully tightening the 3 22mm nuts along with their washers. Now, with the support bracket mounted under the threaded hole, like you see here, take your long 13mm hex bolt, a lock washer, and a flat washer, and fully tighten it. Now we're going to fully tighten this 13mm combo bolt that attaches the support bracket to the main bracket. The last step that we're going to do is adjust our step where we want it to be, then fully tighten the 4 13mm nylon lock nuts. If you're a fan of that bed step, head on over to boostauto.com to check out all we have to offer for your build today, such as these tow mirrors or these M2 illuminated running boards. Once again, thanks for stopping by. We'll catch you on the next one.
The products shown in this video and so much more can be purchased on our website at boostauto.com. We're proud to offer a wide variety of products, parts, and accessories for your truck or SUV that will take your build to the next level. To watch videos like this one and to find out about our newest innovative products for your vehicle, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. We'll catch you on the next one.